Hello, everybody. This is the Sleep Solution team. I am Hamad Al Mudakka.
Hi, my name is Jinbo Shan, and I'm studying computer science. I'm the hacker of the team.
My name is Patience Dorman. I study business entrepreneurship, and I am the hipster.
My name is Guilherme Leite, and I am a business management study. I am the hustler of the team. So for our customer archetype, we found Skylar McQuinn to be a good example. She would be the user. She's from Chandler, Arizona. She's 23 years old, and she works at AMC, the movie theater on Mill. We interviewed her, and she said that employees are constantly on their phone, and that is a problem that's very visible. And she said that she even suffers that herself, and because of that, that lowers productivity, that causes her to get worse sleep at night, and that really affects her on the job. And for our other customer archetype, the other side of the deal, Zelda Sen, she would be the buyer. She is the manager of a restaurant on Mill called Mad Fresh Grill. Zelda, she's originally from Turkey, and she is 45 years old. She's been the manager of Mad Fresh Grill for 12 years now, and she had said that lately she has definitely seen phone usage being very constant at work, and that gets on the way, and employees are constantly distracted. She manages a team of about 10 people at Mad Fresh Grill, and she said that most of them are on their phone on the job, and she has to tell them to put it away. And one thing that she also said, she said that she noticed even customers that frequent her restaurant, they're always on their phone with their families. They're not talking to each other, and it's just a very bad phone addiction problem. During our interview with Zelda, she also said that she would love if there was a way that would help employees control their phone usage so they use it less, and that would also help them get better sleep at night, so that they're more rested when they show up to work, and they would be more productive at work.
Okay, after interviewing about 50 people, we decided that it would be just completely irrational to target any problem besides sleep and phone addiction. Almost every single person we interviewed reported phone addiction, and more than 80% of those people also mentioned sleep problems. And then furthermore, since we did target people in the workforce, we found that these problems are negatively affecting employees and managers and companies as a whole. As showed by our archetypes, managers are frustrated with unhealthy, unfocused employees, and employees are not getting enough sleep and are phone addicted. So we want to subside this epidemic and make organizations more efficient and valuable by creating a solution to the root of the problem, bad sleep and phone addiction.
And our solution for this problem is the Z Chaser. The Z Chaser purpose is to help increase the predictive, the creative, and the overall for the employee to create more workforce. Our sign is sleep well, work hard, let us help.
After a user registers, they will be promoted to take a survey about their sleep habits, work life, phone alliance, and more. And Olin will just help us to better understand the user. It also gives us more data to understand our user as a whole and display. The first page of the Z Chaser is Sleeping Well. This enables the user to track and analyze their sleeping habits. To do so, the user may connect their Apple Watch, Fitbit, or Garmin to get an adequate rating of the amount of sleep they are receiving per night. They can also use the free health app on the phone.
Okay, the next section is the work hard section. In this section, we track the user phone activity, where they can connect to certain applications, and then just like in the sleep one, we will track the statistics and then interpret that and provide meaningful feedback to the user on their sleep and phone activity patterns. They will also have the ability to set controls on apps, which includes just harder passwords, or for example, if you wanted to not use email past 9 p.m., you could block it. Okay, finally, the aspect of our app that we think is the most valuable is the Let Us Help section. And with this, we help the users sleep better and work harder by creating controls, alarms, and light settings that will sync to their habits and what will make them healthier. We would use algorithms to come up with these patterns at first, but then eventually we would employ psychologists or professionals to provide more qualitative feedback. As for the business model, as our first archetype displayed, managers want highly effective, focused employees, and they want them to take care of themselves so that they can be of more value to the company. And almost everyone has sleep or phone addiction problems. Therefore, we want to target managers and executives to invest in our app. Managers will be able to purchase the zChaser package for their organization to encourage healthy well-being. So a business would pay a base fee to implement the app, say $300, and then an additional fee for each user, say $5 a user. And we'll leverage the fact that investing $5 in an employee's well-being will have an enormous return on investment when they are 10 times more productive, efficient, and creative.
Here is the most buyer like companies, and eventually we want also be more specific to the healthcare.
How what sets us apart from the competition, and I think the strongest points are the fact that our app provides them with a plan that gives them tips or steps to improve their sleep and help them control their phone usage, and also the fact that we're very business focused and we're trying to help the workforce and improve their productivity at work.
So finally, the way that you guys could help us is we're looking for assistance or expertise and support from professionals in the area of computer science, psychology, holistic health, sleep, and more. So again, we're Sleep Solutions. Thank you guys for listening to our pitch. And remember, work hard, sleep well, and let us help.